Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger app error, and the error is can't install Messenger. Try again, and if it still doesn't work, then see common ways to fix the problem. So if you're getting this error can't install Messenger while you install or while you try to download Messenger app from the Play Store, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can open Play Store, tap on search for Messenger, and then tap on it, and then you can click on install button to install it. If that also doesn't work, then you have to clear the cache and data of Google Play Store and Google Play services. So open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management, and here search for the Google Play Store, and then tap on it. Then first of all tap on force stop, and again tap on force stop to confirm. Then click on storage usage, and then click on clear cache, and then again click on clear data, and then again click on delete to confirm it. Now you don't have to worry because this will not delete any data or apps from your phone. So tap on delete to confirm, then go back. Now here search for Google Play services, and then tap on it. First of all tap on force stop, and again tap on force stop to confirm. Now open storage usage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Now go back, open Play Store, tap on search for Messenger, and tap on it, and then here you will see the Messenger app, and here you will see the install button. So tap on install button, just wait, and then here you can see that Messenger app is getting installed on my Android device. Now in your case, if it doesn't work, then just check for internet connection. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can open Play Store, tap on search for Messenger, and tap on it, and then you can click on install button and see if that helps or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then there is another alternative solution that you can try to install Messenger app, and that is through the Facebook app. So open the Facebook app, tap on the Messenger app icon at the top right corner of the screen, then click on Get Messenger, and here you will see the install button. So tap on install button, and then you can see that Messenger app is getting downloaded on my Android device. So you can also try this solution. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve can't install Messenger app from Play Store on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.